Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I want to give us one strategy that you can use and make money in crypto trading. Simply, if you look throughout this chart, you will see that in the bottom right here you're going to see a candlestick, right? This candlestick right here, this candlestick. So what is the name of this candlestick? This candlestick is called doji, right? So if you check very well, you will notice that this candlestick appeared after a strong downward trend, right? After a downward trend, right? So if you check through the market, current market, you will notice that the market was going down, right? If you check through here, you notice that the market was going down. Then the market now reverse and the candlestick close right here. And if you even check the upper wick, it's just a little bit, and the lower wick is bigger than the upper wick, right? Which means that the market is now changing direction from downward trend to upward trend. And after this candlestick, the second candlestick appear to be a strong green candlestick, right? Strong green candlestick. Check it right here. Strong green candlestick. It means that the market have changed direction from downward trend to upward trend. So as a professional trader, you can use this for scalping and make profit. How can you start using this candlestick and make profit in the market? This dodgy candlestick. So this pattern is very simple. Let me show you how to read it, right? Let me scroll down. Let me just adjust the market. So if you check through the market, you notice that the market was on downward trend, right? After strong downward trend, this candlestick now is a reversal candlestick from downward trend to an upward trend, which is the doji, which is the doji candlestick, right? This candlestick right here. I'm sorry. This candlestick you're seeing down here is a doji candlestick. So whenever this doji candlestick appeared after a strong downward trend, right? Just wait for the second candlestick to be a strong green candlestick, right? And you can see that this strong green candlestick closed without any wick, right? Sometimes it will have a little wick, right? But still, a strong green candlestick is now indicating that the market has already turned, the buyers have already won the battle, and the market is now going to an upward trend. Because what makes this market to go down is because the buyers, the sellers, won the battle around this place, right? Around this place. If you check right here, you notice that the market was going upward trend, right? Then the sellers stepped in and start selling, and the market start going down, right? The market start going down until the market reach this point and the reversal candlestick appear, which is dodgy, right? So after this dodgy candlestick appeared, after this doji candlestick appeared, right? The second candlestick is also a strong green candlestick, which indicate that the market just turned to an upward trend, right? Then how can you enter this trade? For you to take this trade, the first thing you need to know is you have to use your support and resistance lines, right? It's very important. Your support and resistance line. Make sure that this market, right, this doji appeared on a resistance support line before you use it, or maybe on a resistance line. So currently right here, you're going to see that this line, this place right here, is a resistance line. If you look, you'll see one tiny line there. It's a resistance line, right? So after this dodgy candlestick, this second candlestick close without any wick. Sometimes it will have a little wick, right? So how can you enter this trade? The first thing you need to do is to enter this trade after this strong candlestick. After this strong candlestick, you just enter the market, the current market, right? Just enter the current market, and then you set your stop loss below this dodgy candlestick, right? Below this dodgy candlestick. Where are you going to set your stop loss, your take profit? After your stop loss, you have set your stop loss, then you set your own take profit using using the other resistance line, right? The upper resistance line, which is it right here. If you check, you see one tiny line. It's a resistance line. This place right here. It's a resistance line that is there. So if you notice very well, you see that if you'll have entered this market when this market was down right here, you will have made a lot of profit and your market will close, right? And you make a lot of profit. Not for you to enter day trade. This is just a scalping strategy that you can use and make a lot of profit, right? So I hope everybody understand. If you know you really benefit from this video, don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. I'll see you guys in the next update. Thank you all.